Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Jackson, and in this video, I'm going to go over the top 7 benefits of being an affiliate marketer and why you should choose this business model over other business models if you're looking to start an online business to either supplement your income or if you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 job as soon as possible. I believe affiliate marketing is the best business model, especially if you're a beginner just starting out. But also, this is also a great business model if you're looking to just supplement your income. If you already have an online business and you're looking to start another one to, I don't know, maybe take it to the next level in your finances. Now, if you stick with me till the very end of this video, I'm going to give you the opportunity to get my free ebook. I just finished writing this a few days ago. We got it published, we got it up and going. So if you want to learn how to get this completely free, stick around to the end of this video and I will give you this ebook that I just finished writing. I'll give it to you for free, but you gotta stick around until the end. But without further ado, guys, let's jump into my top 7 reasons on how you can benefit from being an affiliate marketer. All right, so number 1 has got to be the amount of money that you can make with affiliate marketing. There really is no cap if you start an affiliate marketing business in the online space. Now, if you want to be an affiliate and you do it I guess in person, or you go door to door doing sales that way as an affiliate marketer, so to speak, I think there's a certain amount of cap. But if you're doing an online affiliate marketing business, there really is no cap to how much you can make. My mentor, Jonathan Montoya, he just hit 7 figures with his affiliate marketing business. He was crushing it well into the 6 figures, but he just hit 7 figures. And now his next goal is to hit 8 figures, which I think is awesome. Now, with that being said, I really don't think there's much of a cap on affiliate marketing business, but I do have to say maybe there is to some point. Like, I don't really know of any affiliate marketer that is a billionaire. I do think it's possible to get there, but I think it'd be very, very tough. But I think for most of us, especially if you're watching this video, if you're wanting to get into affiliate marketing, even making an extra $100,000 a year would be huge for you, would either allow you to really have the financial freedom that you're looking for, or it would allow you to quit your 9-to-5 job. So that's the number 1 thing that I think I love about affiliate marketing is there is no cap. You can literally reach anybody and everybody that's online and get them to come be a part of your affiliate marketing business. All right, and for reason number 2 is that the beautiful thing about this, especially if you start an online affiliate marketing business, is that you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. I mean, heck, you could even do it with just your phone. That's what's so cool is that if you do start this affiliate marketing business and you're able to build out this business for the long term and quit your 9-to-5 job, you can work from anywhere in the world, which gives you literally unlimited amounts of freedom. You can be on vacation and you can be working your affiliate marketing business. You could be visiting family in a different state. Whatever the reason is, you can always be working because you can work anywhere in the world. You can work from home. You can go get an office space. Once you start making enough money, you can work from there. You can work from your car. I mean, anywhere in the world you can work because you are your own boss once you become a full-time affiliate marketer. And which brings me to my 3rd point that I really love about an affiliate marketing business is that you get to make your own schedule. You don't have a set time that you have to be to work from this time to this time. You get to work the hours you want to work. Now, you still have to put in a lot of work whenever you have your affiliate marketing business, but you get to choose the time. Like, say, you want to work for 12 hours a day, but then the next day you want to take a little bit of time off because your kid has some sort of sporting event or school event, or if other family members have something going on and you need to be there for that. Or maybe if you think you're going to have a super busy weekend with family coming into town, or you got a friend's bachelor party or bachelorette party, whatever it may be, you can work a ton of hours during the week and then take the whole weekend off. If you need to split it up into different days, I mean, you get to choose your schedule as an affiliate marketer. I mean, you are your own entrepreneur, so you get to pick your schedule. Now, with that comes a price. You got to be disciplined to be able to put in the work, but if you're able to put in the work, you get to pick your schedule and work essentially when you want to work. All right, and reason number 4 has got to be my favorite reason that I jotted down here in my notebook. But the best part of affiliate marketing is it is passive income. Okay, so what does that mean? It basically means that you are putting in the work up front to make money essentially for as long as the product is still for sale and you're still getting traffic to your website or your funnel, whatever you're using to make those sales. So what do I mean by that? Well, basically, if you make, let's just say your source of traffic is to use YouTube. So you make a YouTube video, you promote a certain product, you're the affiliate, you make a YouTube over said product, and as long as you're getting views to that YouTube video, you're always going to be making affiliate commissions from that specific product. Meaning that all you had to do was put in the work to make that one YouTube video, and as long as you're getting, a couple hundred, maybe 1,000 views, even more a month, and people are purchasing month after month after month, you're constantly going to be getting sales and making commissions just from that one product. Now, let's say you go make another YouTube video over another product. Well, as long as that's getting hundreds or thousands of views a month and you're making a few sales here and there, well, there's more passive income. It's just, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is that you can literally stack this. You can stack different products on different products on different products to where you can, back to reason number 1, you have no cap on how much money you can make. And like I said, in this tip number 4, it is literally passive. All right, and reason number 5, this is a really cool thing about affiliate marketing. If you don't know a whole lot about affiliate marketing, this is kind of multiple things in one, but essentially with affiliate marketing, you don't have to deal with the physical product, meaning you don't have to actually keep inventory. You don't have to deal with customer service. The company that you're basically promoting their product, they deal with the customer service. You don't have to worry about dealing with the refunds. If somebody does end up getting a refund, well, then the company deals with that. You might not earn the commission, but at least you don't have to deal with that. That's the company. They get to deal with all of that mess and the complaints and people getting mad. That's their business. If you're promoting a physical affiliate product, say you're an affiliate for Amazon, you don't have to do any shipping. All you have to do is get people to the website, and as long as they purchase, you make money. Then, of course, whatever company that you're promoting, they send out the product. They do the shipping and handling. They do all the good stuff. Well, when I say good stuff, I mean the tedious, annoying stuff. And we get to do the good stuff because we don't have to deal with that. We just collect a paycheck. And then also one thing I really love about this affiliate marketing business is you don't have to worry about strikes or bans. Okay, so short story, I used to do Amazon FBA, so fulfillment by Amazon. And if I didn't get a certain product out in a certain time, or if a certain customer complained about the product for whatever reason, Amazon basically, struck me down and deleted my seller account. And I was no longer able to sell on Amazon anymore. So if that was my primary source of income, well, now I'm screwed. Okay, so that's the thing, is you don't have to worry about that. I guess if you're an affiliate for a certain product and every person you refer ends up asking for a refund, then maybe that company will no longer allow you to be an affiliate. But one, that would never happen because every person you refer probably wouldn't ask for a refund. And 2, even if they did, well, guess what? You're an affiliate, so you can go promote another product. So that's what's really cool about affiliate marketing, is that you don't have to worry about all the nonsense. All right, and number 6 of the benefits of being an affiliate marketer is that it is a very low startup cost. This is why I think it's such a great business model for beginners, because there's not a whole lot of money that you've got to put into it up front. It's totally your choice on how much you want to spend. Whether you want to spend a whole lot on somebody making you a website, if you want to spend a lot of money on paid ads, you get to pick and choose, but essentially you just need a website. And by the way, I highly recommend Clickfunnels, as it is a funnel builder, and that's the way that you can make a ton of commissions. That's how you can build your email list. That's what I highly recommend when you're getting started out. So that in itself is $97 a month. And then of course you need an email responder, something like GetResponse. That only costs $15 a month. And essentially, that's all you need in order to get started with your affiliate marketing business. A little over $100. Whenever if you think about starting any other type of business in the world, especially an online business like drop shipping or Amazon, where you got to buy the inventory or you got to buy the product or you've got to run a ton of ads, that costs thousands and thousands of dollars if you really want to be successful. Whereas affiliate marketing, you really only got to spend a little over $100 just to get started and get the ball rolling. So last but not least, number 7 of the benefit of being an affiliate marketer is this is just the best business model for beginners to make money online, to make their very first commission. It can be something as small as a $3 commission, but it could be something as big as a $3,000 commission. There's so many different affiliate programs that you can promote, that you can get involved in order to start promoting and start making commissions. Now, I do believe that if you are wanting to benefit from affiliate marketing and you're wanting to get started, and for this to be the right business model for you, you need some sort of guidance. So if you stuck around to the end, if you go down to the link below, you click that very first link, internetmoneylifestyles.com, I'm going to send you my free 7 steps to becoming a 6-figure affiliate ebook that'll show you everything that you need to know in order to get started with affiliate marketing step by step, the full 7 steps you need to becoming a 6-figure affiliate. But if you do want to take it one step further and you do want to go ahead and hop into the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which only costs $7, that's going to actually be even more of a step ahead than the ebook itself. The ebook I'm going to give to you for free, but if you want to spend the $7 and get into the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, my mentor, Jonathan Montoya, who is a 7-figure affiliate marketer, he's the one that's going to teach the course, and everything that he's teaching inside there is exactly what I'm implementing into my business, and it's exactly what he's done for multiple years now to get to a 7-figure affiliate marketing business. So if that's something that interests you, go down. It's going to be the first link. Go ahead and click that. And if anything, just go ahead and get my free ebook. Just put in an email. Put in a good email, so that way you actually get the ebook, because I'm going to send it to you that way. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any value out of this, please be sure to leave a like, as that greatly helps me out. And also be sure to go ahead and subscribe, turn on those notifications, as I am posting videos literally every single day on the best methods to help you becoming fully financially free and quitting your 9-to-5 as soon as possible. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you being here. If you stuck around this long, I really, really do appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a comment down below telling me your favorite part of this video. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment. I will get back to you. But other than that, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.